It's really easy to check your blood pressure at home. All you need is a comfortable chair and a blood pressure monitor. Start by taking any long sleeve layers off. Sit on the chair with your arm on the table and position yourself so that the top of your arm is at heart height. Make sure to keep both feet flat on the floor. Place the cuff onto your upper arm with the tube pointing downwards. Use the spot on the cuff as a guide. Fasten the cuff so it fits snugly on your upper arm and the tube stays in the right place. This can be a bit fiddly. Take a few deep breaths, and when you're ready, press the start button on the monitor. The cuff will get very tight for around a minute. Try to stay still and quiet while the reading is taking place. Once the cuff is released, look at the reading on the monitor and write it down. And that's it. You're all done. If your reading's in the high or very high category, we'd advise you to take a 5-minute break and take another reading. Remember, a blood pressure reading is only a snapshot of your blood pressure at this moment in time. Readings can be affected by many different factors, including if you've recently drunk a tea or coffee, done some exercise, or you're feeling worried. If your blood pressure is still high after your second reading, take yourself down to a local pharmacy or make an appointment with your GP to get it done again. Take a sec to check.